बट आप
50%।
बेन से आए हो, पता है बेन में स्टार्टिंग सैलरी 50 लाख होती है।
जी पता है मुझे।
If you're planning to build career in management consulting, then I have a great news for you. Top consulting firm like Bain & Company, BCG, and McKinsey are hiring summer associate, and this could be your chance. But let's understand what you will do as a summer associate. As a summer associate, you will work on high-impact project, solving complex problem with consultants. It's intense but career-defining, exposing you to high-profile clients and strategic work. Now, the question is, who should apply? They're seeking top performers, usually MBA student, but also exceptional undergrad from diverse field. Your analytical thinking, leadership, and teamwork skills are what matter the most. What is the typical application process here? First, you need to submit resume along with cover letter. And then you have to go through logical reasoning and analytical and aptitude test. And the third is rigorous case interviews. So you need to prepare well for these. How should you prepare for these case interviews? Practice case interviews, use frameworks, and sharpen your data analysis and problem-solving skills. Additionally, network with current associates, practice cases on platforms like Prep Lounge, and nail your case interviews. With focus and prep, you can actually stand out. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe and share this with someone who might find this useful. See you in the next video. If you have any question, you can post it in the comment.